In this video, I will show you how to find area and perimeter of an enclosed region or polygon in Google Earth. Find and zoom into the region where you want to find the area and perimeter. I located a random region. Select Polygon from upper ribbon and set the style and color. Lower color is the inner shaded portion of Polygon. Create simple polygon by using 4 points. Adjust the polygon by dragging its points. Mark the region with any name. Name the polygon also. Check measurements in Properties of Polygon. Here is the perimeter and area of the polygon. You can see value in multiple units. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.